Okay, so now you learn what a measure is, what time signature means, what the different note values are, and now what we want to do is we want to apply that to the guitar. And what we're going to do in the next lesson is we're going to actually take what we're learning here and we're going to apply it to actual music. So there'll be a little progression. We're going to apply some of these, different note values you've been learning, and yeah, we're gonna apply it to like a little song. Like think of it as a little mini song. It's not a full blown song or anything. And but yeah, you'll be able to. It's important to actually apply what you're learning. Don't just learn about scales, learn about chords. That's great and wonderful, but if you can't put it all together to make music, what's the use? So yeah, that's kind of what we're going to go through here in this lesson, and then next lesson we'll apply it. All right, so let's go ahead and let's get going. Okay, so we're going to start off with is quarter notes, and I like this because you have to hit every single beat, and so that kind of reinforces that. In the measures we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I like to approach it that way. So you can pick an open string, 1, 2, 3, 4, or you can take your E5 chord, 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever you want to do. You can pick an A5 or a power chord, a fretted power chord. Use power chords too. Doesn't really matter. So I'm going to pick the E5 chord. So quarter notes. You're just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's a really, you notice I don't know if you could see over here, I was tapping my foot and I was saying 1, 2, 3, 4 as I was playing. It all kind of just connects together. So you want to do whatever you can of that. If you can go right straight to it and 1, 2, 3, 4, go for it. But if not, then just pick one. Maybe try tapping your foot. You see my little white leg here. And by the way, you should probably go 4 count in. It's called it's called a count in, and it's 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2. Or just do your foot if you want. Or you can just verbally say it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. However, if all you do is just stay stiff and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, it's kind of hard to keep a really good steady beat going along. So either tapping your foot or just bobbing a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, and verbally saying it does help because if you're not doing anything, it's so easy to start going. See, like goes all over the place because there's nothing connecting there. You got to go, even if it's just verbal, just going 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because if you're saying that, you're not going to start going and play at different spots. You're not gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's actually hard to do that. You have to try it, and so that's good. But again, if you can tap your foot, bounce your body around, that's even better. So that is chord notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try to get that dead consistent and without wavering at all. And then when you're ready, stick on a drum beat or metronome. Metronome is going to be like really focusing in. But to nitty gritty, and if you start wavering off, you're gonna know. The click is gonna be right off. The drum beat is kind of nice because you're kind of used to the way a drum beat goes, so you kind of can anticipate. different things. And let me bring this up for a second. You can't see me here. So yeah, so you anticipate it, and because of that, it kind of makes it a little bit more fun. So I'd say start out with the drum beat, and that may be all you need. But if you're really nitty, getting in the nitty gritty, and you really want to get precise, then yeah, get that drum beat. I mean the metronome. But but yeah, you want to get that right on 1, 2, 3, 4, right on the, either on the drum beat, boom, boom, bam, boom, boom, bam, or the click, 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 click. So yeah, work on that.